All right, hi friends. We are going to practice dividing shapes into halves and quarters or fourths. So you watched a video explaining to you what that is, and you listened to Sesame Street, and so now we're going to practice. So what you're going to need to do your best work showing excellence is a pencil and a piece of paper from your math journal or just a piece of paper. So I'll give you a moment to find those things. Pause the video while you're waiting. All right, I hope you have those things. At the top, you are going to number your paper 1 through 6. I don't want you to worry about these shapes over here right now. Just on your piece of paper, going down, write the numbers 1 through 6. Just like I did. I'm going to erase mine so it's not confusing. I want you to keep yours. All right, and what you're going to do next to each number, you are going to decide yes or no, is each shape divided in half or partitioned in half? Remember, partitioned is another word for divide. So I want you to look at this square right here. If you think yes, that square is divided in half, next to your number 1, you are going to write the word yes. Y-E-S. If you think, no, this shape is not divided in half, you would write no. So you only need one answer. You need yes or no next to your number 1. And you are going to do the same thing for each shape. So after you're done with the first one, go to the next shape. This is number 2. Is that shape divided in half? Yes or no? Go to number 3. Look at this circle. Is this green circle divided in half? Yes or no? Look at the square. Is that shape divided in equal parts? Remember, equal means they are the same on both sides. So look at that red square. Is it divided in half and showing equal parts? Yes or no? We're on number 5. Is this circle divided into equal parts? Yes or no? And the last one, is this last shape divided into equal parts? Yes or no? All right, when you are done, we're going to go to the next one. If you are not finished, pause the video so you can finish. It says make a half and shade. So I want you to draw a circle on your paper. Just try your best. It does not have to be perfect. And it says make a half. So divide your circle in half and then shade 1/2 of your circle. So I'm just going to shade 1/2. All right. When you're done with your circle, go to your rectangle, divide your rectangle in half, and shade 1/2 of your rectangle. When you're done with the purple rectangle, go to the blue. You do not have to be drawing these in crayon, just draw with your pencil. Draw another rectangle, divide that rectangle in half, and shade 1/2. And then when you're done with that one, go to the next one, the pink square. Draw a square, divide it in half, and shade 1/2 of the square. When you are done, we are going to go to the next one. If you are not done, that is fine. Just pause this video and finish up. Remember, you are dividing the shape in half and then shading 1/2 of the shape. All right, now we are going to divide the shape or partition the shape into quarters or fourths. So remember, quarters and fourths are the same thing. So you are going to divide it in quarters or fourths. So that's half. Then there we go. So now I have 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to shade just 1/4 or 1/4. So if I just shade 1/4 or 1/4, that's just one piece. So for each shape, you are going to be dividing it into quarters or fourths and shading 1/4 and 1/4. So draw a circle, divide your circle in quarters or fourths, and shade 1/4. The next one, draw a rectangle, divide it into quarters or fourths, and shade 1/4. You are going to do the same thing for your circle, your rectangle, and your square. So again, on this slide, you are dividing it into quarters or fourths and shading 1/4. If you need to, you can pause the video. You guys did a fantastic job partitioning or dividing shapes into quarters and halves and recognizing the equal parts. So awesome job. I hope that you did a great job of showing excellence. Make sure that you go to the next activity when you're done.